Hi, today I am going to explain about how to connect to the MongoDB by using MongoDB Compass. Okay, so here you can click on first you need to install the MongoDB community edition. So I will add that link to the description into the description. Okay, first you can click on the here new connection. Once you clicked on new connection, so you can change the name of the connection also. For example, local connection I am giving. If you are working on different environments, you can give the different environment names here. Local environment I am giving. So if you want to change colors, you can change. Okay, click on save here. So local environment. So this is currently I am using localhost, that's why only it is default taking localhost. If you want to change here, you can give that particular environment port number. So here also you can change authentication by username, LDAP, anything if you want you can add here, either SSL certification also. But local as of now, no need here. So this above URL is enough. After then you can click on connect. You can see here I am connected to the my local MongoDB database here. Okay, this is the setup log. If you want to create here new collection, so you can create a collection here, like an example information. You can create here, you can collection here. So if you have any existing data, so you can import data from a JSON or CSV file. So if you want to find anything here, you can find for example field value, you can declare as a field. And you can, if you want to add any data here, import JSON, insert a document, like as a insert document. So this is for example, this is the temporary I am adding, inserting this temporary data. So this is the temporary ID I am passing here. Okay, this is the way to connecting the MongoDB using MongoDB Compass. Thank you for watching.